All right, customer states vehicle feels very slow. So helping Jackie here, checking out his Land Cruiser that he just bought, and he's wondering why his Land Cruiser is so slow. And we found that yeah, this side was this caliper was seized, but there was no pad left. Metal on metal. The metal part is actually the piston of the caliper. But anyway, this car is pretty clean though. Jackie just bought this 80 series Land Cruiser. So yeah, caliper's just wearing onto the rear brake rotor. So you can't drive this anymore actually, because we can't. We gotta find parts for this. All right, so it took off the calipers, and guess what we found? I guess this pad wore out so much that it slipped through the caliper bracket and just got itself stuck in the back here. And then on this side, there's almost nothing left. You can see it's already wearing the squealer tab. So it's probably slow because it's got a metal bumper, but and also 35s, but it's probably wasn't very fast to begin with. And from the factory, it does come with a metal bumper too, or the original bumpers right here. Oh yeah, and here's Colman's diesel swapped FJ Cruiser. Yep, he's just sorting everything out right now. But yeah, definitely check out his YouTube channel.